I woke up feeling pretty miserable today because I didn't want to go to class, and I had to miserably wake up and I have to go to class type of behavior. But something good happened that I just opened my college group, WhatsApp group, and there was written that you don't have a class today. There's an electricity problem, and that just reminded me. First of all, I got happy. I got really happy. Oh, I don't have to go anymore. So, and after that, I realized that I saw this one meme where it said that how college kids react after hearing the class they paid for get cancelled, and there was a dancing, you know, dog or something. So that makes me realize that's just me right now. I paid for the class and it got cancelled. Yay! It's a bad mindset to have if you wanna achieve things in life like me. I think that I have these big dreams and class got cancelled. Yay! Paradoxical situation. Yeah, but what I realize, being in the park right now, I want to get some vitamin C in my eyes. It's 9 a.m. right now, and it's pretty good of a timing. I woke up at 7, and after half an hour I realized I didn't have to go, and since then I've been studying, freshen up, drank some coffee, and started my day strong. But took a break, came out here, had to take the morning sunlight. That is very important for your circadian rhythm, very important for your sleep. And I want to suggest one of my friends to sleep well. She doesn't sleep well. So yeah. So I realized something. I saw an eagle for the first time. Not for the first time, but first time sitting like on the ground on this grass field, and I could finally see it like clearly. I always saw it on photos, or you know, but you don't actually go up and search eagle photos. Like you just see here and there some reels or something. But I actually saw a real one just sitting in a grass field. Not sitting actually, he was picking something, but I could clearly see him. Right. So that was fascinating. Uh, and if you don't find that fascinating, you should be more grateful in your life for these little things, because these little things that cause you happiness are very important. I really need a mic right now. I ordered one. It was really, really, uh, you know, first of all, it was cheap, and so was the quality. So I can't blame it. I only have myself to blame. So I am looking for new mics and deciding the budget, what kind of budget and mic I really want. And yeah, so I saw that eagle, and there were pigeons, right? So the eagle flew away and the pigeons flew. Difference between both of them was pigeons had to flap their wings like 50 times to get the same place, and eagle flapped twice, chick chick, and it just floated the wind. That describes the power dynamic of nature, how nature distributes us in different powers, because eagle has its strength and so does a pigeon. An eagle doesn't go to places a pigeon can, and I don't know much about their biology, but yeah. And if this is how it is, we look at things from one perspective and not from the other. I looked at how many wing flaps, uh, you know, both of them did, and I just thought, oh, eagle is better because he had to, he was smarter. He had to do less. But pigeon is also smaller and can be seen more often, and whereas eagle, at least I don't see very often. So I don't know what was the point of this video, except the fact that I saw an eagle today. So yeah, The title might be grateful that I saw an eagle today, or it can be eagle pigeon theory. I just, I use this in titles or in my videos, that I just make up theories that I make. That if I realize something that, oh, this analogy fits with this, I just name it, like the water theory, or there's a video of mine called the manipulation, option manipulation, about how companies and people trick you into making you feel like you are choosing an option, but in reality you are just, choosing between the range they are okay. For example, if I give you, you wanna eat food, you are very hungry, so I give you like option of one roti or one chapati or two chapatis, and you can choose one, obviously two chapatis. I'm very hungry, but I didn't give you the option of pizza. That doesn't mean you can't have pizza. It's just the fact that I gave you the option and you thought that this was your range. And yeah, in real life scenarios, it's very useful and very practical too. So yeah, that was pretty much it. Girvesh signing out. Take care of yourself. Take vitamin D from. Another last thing, you don't take vitamin D. Vitamin D is already present in you. The sunlight activates the vitamin D that is already present in your body. Can you see how great that is? It's really amazing. Vanshu, signing out. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.